everyone, this is Jennifer Ebinger here, and today we are continuing our journey through the starter kit, and I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on using your diffuser that came with your starter kit. Now this is my Desert Mist diffuser. It's one of the newer ones this last year that Young Living developed, and it's absolutely my favorite. So let me give you some tips on it. Okay, so you've got your on-off button here and your light button. So your on-off button, if you would like this diffuser to go about 5 to 6 hours, you press it once. If you would like it to go 8, then you press it a second time. And if you'd like it to go 10 hours, then you press it a third time. The diffuser will automatically shut off when it's out of water. Actually, the lights will stay on, but it just will no longer diffuse, okay? So it has this cool feature where it has 11 different lights and a candle light feature, which is so pretty. So you just press this little button here that has a light bulb on it. And if you press it until it gets to the first red color, then it will rotate all of the different beautiful colors like pinks and blues and purples and greens. And then if you'd like it just to stay on one color, then you just get to that particular color and it will stay there. So this is just an absolutely beautiful diffuser and easy to use. Okay, so you take the cover off, and one little tip that I have for you, when you put this back together, you see how there's this little ridge here. You have to be sure to match this part up with that, otherwise it may leak and make a little mess. So you want to be sure to do that. Okay. So all you do is you fill up your diffuser to the line right here, and you do about, if you're just starting out, maybe just 3 drops. You could go up to 6 or 8 drops, just depending on the oil and what your body feels like. And then you just let it rip. You just let it go. I know when we first started out, we had one diffuser and we kept it in our main room. But then at night, we'd have to be like, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, who's gonna get the diffuser tonight between our room and our daughter's room? So now, just through, ordering through several months, we each have one in our own bedroom, and we have one upstairs in the bathroom. And so you'll find that that's probably the same thing that will happen with you, that you just want the convenience of having a diffuser in each of your rooms. Okay, so a quick tip on cleaning, and this is super important. And sometimes I forget to do this myself, but if you can keep up with keeping it clean, then this diffuser will last a lot longer for you. So you see this white plate in there, you want to be sure that that stays clean, and you do that by weekly adding a little bit of rubbing alcohol, letting it sit for about 5 to 15 minutes, and then just using a Q-tip to clean that. Now you're just covering that little plate with the alcohol. You don't need this whole thing covered full with alcohol. It's just important to keep that buildup off of the plate. So that will just help extend the life. Now Young Living warranties their diffusers for a year, so if you have problems with yours, then you just simply give Young Living a call or do live chat, and they'll just work through some different troubleshooting tips with you and see if they can help you get it working, and if not, then they will send you a new one. So, but that tip will help you keep it running smoothly for you. I know for us in our home, we have ours running every single day, and so that's important for our health and wellness. Well, I hope that this was helpful for you, and enjoy your journey through the starter kit, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.